Hello dear student, welcome back. You are here again with me. New topic, and today's topic is that you have seen a couple of seconds before in my previous slide. Right, today we will study determiner, possessive determiner. Possessive determiners are the determiner in which we show the belongingness and the ownership, and it points toward that thing is belongs to someone, and a property is belongs to someone, and anything that can be which belongs to anyone. Right, so this is possessive determiner which we place before the just in front of the noun. ठीक, noun के सामने हम इसको adjust करते हैं, fit करते हैं, यहाँ वहां पे इसको use किया जाता है because it says something about that what exactly and who's exactly this thing and that particular thing belongs to, right? So possessive is here basically nouns possessive case. But nowadays we are studying under the determiner. So here you will see that in the previous slide you have noticed that there was the use of my, mine, his, her, its, one's, whose, theirs, etc. See what are these? These are some special words which really pointed toward the ownership and the belongingness. किस चीज का किससे संबंध है, वो है किसका, कैसे है, right? These things are mentioned here in this topic, right? You have seen some couple of example there in a slide that what is your name? What is your name? Your is what? It is pointing to someone. किसी को point कर रहा है to your, आपका, right? And the second one was that whose house is this? Whose house is this? किसका घर है ये? Whose here means it gives some hint to to pointing toward the ownership, belongingness, right? And something is we should serve our country. Whose country is this? Our country, हमारी अपनी country, and that's why we can say the our country. And the same way you can see here some example right here, the blackboard. Okay, India is our country. India is our country. It belongs to us. So that's why our, O-U-R. R is the possessive here. You can see now. This is my book. This is my book. My book. My also pointing something and to some person ki किसकी है, किस आदमी की है. Right. And the next one is this house is mine. This is something different here. You are pointing this one here. This house here. H-O-U-S-E. This H-O. Okay. This house is mine. You have brought your noun just before your determiner, and you place your determiner at the end of that. If you are writing that one, you never will write after mine के बाद किसी तरह का आप noun नहीं लगा सकते because you have already mentioned, you have already used it before this, right? Now the my doll is on the keyboard. My doll, whose doll is this? Is my my doll is on the table. And the whatever the things that show the ownership like are, your, its, was, theirs, right? We will take some more example, right? See over there. Here you can see some more example like my books are in nutshell. My book, underline word that you can see, my books. You cannot be blamed for your failure. Your failure here, right? You cannot be blamed for your failure. The next one is what is your roll number? What is your roll number? आपका, pointing to someone that what's your roll number. Indian soldiers are known for their bravery, right? Indian soldiers are known for their bravery. The next one is my office is not far away. We can add some more thing to it that can be my office is not far away from my house. And here the Indian soldiers are known for their bravery, known for there is here the belonging to and pointing to something. See for yourself. Indian soldiers are known for their bravery. Indian soldiers are known for their bravery. Underline word you can see there. She is as beautiful as her mother. You can see here her mother. Again, her mother is here pointing to the ownership. Her, uski, she is as beautiful as her mother. The next one is I have a dog, and you have a dog. They have a dog whose color is black, and this is also pointing toward the color. Kiska color? Dog ka color यहाँ पे, right? So look at there's some more example let you understand properly. One should do one's duty honestly. One's duty, अपना कर्तव्य honestly करना चाहिए, अपनी duty honestly करनी चाहिए. Once, we should not quarrel with our neighbors. हमारे जो पड़ोसी होते हैं इनके साथ कभी लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए. We should not quarrel with ours. And actually, he has done his homework. He has done his homework. His, right? Underline word. One of her sister is in my class. One of her sister is in my class. The C, her, underline word. Honeybees are known for their hard work. For their hard work. There is here possessive determiner which is pointing toward honey's nature. A dog has built its nest in the peach tree, in the cedar tree, in the plum tree. You can take any of which one you like, right? A dove has built its nest. अपना nest जो है उसने peach के tree में बनाया, right? Here is some more examples. These kids are your and mine. These kids are your and mine. Here is the two. यहाँ पे देखिए दो possessive use किए हैं, आपके और मेरे है. This are is wrong. Now it's all right. These are our ancestral property. These are our ancestral property. ये हमारी पुश्तैनी property है. And these are some of example I think will be sufficient to understand the possessive one, and it's not so difficult to understand. It's not difficult to understand. So that's it, dear student. That was today's topic, and it is really very easy. We have to just find out, and we have to see something which is very important, which pointing toward the determiner, possessive determiner, which shows the belongingness and some ownership, right? You can place these things in singular form and plural form just before the noun. Okay, just try to find out your his, my, mine, its, own, whose, ours, theirs, etc. The C. These are the special words there in the possessive determiner, which is really pointing the possessions and the ownership, right? That's it for the day. Thank you.